You can see that, but Eagle Eye Sarah just caught that while I was driving by, and she saw the wildlife. So we got out. We're kind of off trail, and there's 5 of them. Oh my God. This is so cool. I gotta watch where I'm walking. But those are desert bighorn rams. Oh my God. I'm gonna try to video while I take pictures. As long as I don't feel threatened. Because I know we're definitely they're downwind of us. Oh my gosh. Like 14. Kinda. Just be very, very slow.
I saw 2.
Holy cow.
The other way.
There's like a spider web under there. Fixing it. Alright, I'm going to try to get video with my big camera.
You want to come over here?
This is so cool, you guys. Oh my gosh.
She'd seen a couple, and she decided to come back.
Yeah, I don't know if they're just really out and about more.
I didn't think they'd be out in the heat of the day. I think they'd be hidden somewhere.
Yeah, until around noonish, I think. And they usually go up and lay. I've seen them laying around. Smells good in the shed.
Oh gosh, don't get so close.
That is so awesome.
Again, I'm in no rush. Dogs have been taken care of, and by the time I get home or we get home, they'll be good.
Good. Hey guys, just checking in. So Sarah and I were going to do the White Dome Trail, but it was sand the whole way and it's hot, and we're going to do that next time I come back. So I'm going to plan on coming back in the early spring or late fall, and we'll do that hike. But look at this view. Look at how fantastic that is. It's amazing. So Sarah was counting, there's at least 6 sediment layers. You can see in the color right there. And yeah, the striking color between the red and the white is just brilliant. So the road ends here. It's a big loop, and we're gonna go and explore more of the park. So I don't know where we're going yet, but take you guys along with us. currently on the Mouse Tank Trail, and that is where there's over 600 petroglyphs in the rocks. There's some behind me on that, the black portion of the rock there. You saw? It's very, very cool. And we passed a couple of hikers who theorize that the hiking trail is actually at the riverbed, and all the petroglyphs are along this left side of the wall because that's where the riverbank was. So we think that's probably pretty plausible. So we're going to continue on and see some cool stuff. So we stopped at Elephant Rock. This is right off the road. I'm going to turn and see if you can see it. It's right up there. So I got some good pictures of it. Hopefully they turn out all right. But I think I'm going to do a little bit of editing magic to make them pop. So we're almost done with the park. There's just a couple more spots that we're going to stop at. We're going to stop at the Beehives. And then there's another place, I forget what it was called, but you can walk up a couple landings of stairs and get up close to petroglyphs. And then I think after that we're going to go for a swim back at the house.
Hell yeah.
Sounds super good.
Yes, it does.
Alright, see you guys in a little bit. So we went to the visitor center. I got my magnet and I got a poster, and Sarah got a couple postcards and a soda because she needed some sugar, and everything that I have with me doesn't have really any sugar in it. So we're at Otlotl Rock, and Otlotl was a primitive weapon throwing device that the natives used for hunting, and I think on this rock we're going to see some depictions of that. It'll be a long line with a loop on one end of it, and that's what it'll look like. So yeah, we're going to climb up the stairs and get a close look at the petroglyphs. Beehives. This is the last stop on our journey today. As you can see back there, there's a couple of them back there, and then there's a whole complex back there, but that's a keep out area, so we're not going to go venture in there. But yeah, today was an awesome day. We saw a lot of things. We did a lot of hiking. My legs are literally shaking as we speak because of the exertion today. So I gotta refuel tonight and drink lots of water. And then, yeah, that's about all I have to say about that. So, see you guys in a little bit.